Hi. Oh my gosh, that was Julie James' infamous line. And there's another one. What have you been waiting for, huh? What have you been waiting for? Oh my gosh. What have you been waiting for? And then something like this. What have you been waiting for? Oh my gosh. I'm totally satisfied for this movie. Above expectations. Expect the unexpected, guys and girls. But before that, before I continue my reviews for this movie, I'll just have my tea, okay? Oh my gosh, so awesome. So awesome. I love you, Jennifer. Love you with mama. Wait. Before we start, I just wanna. Where? There, the CR. I just wanna thank the Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Oh my God, so excited to give you the reviews. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Abordo. Helen Carreto, my childhood friend. Thank you for watching. To all my silent subscribers out there, to all my Facebook viewers as well. To all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces.